And while most of the deaths are among elderly residents, a majority of those catching the virus are younger.
That's right. 18 and 29-year-olds make up the bulk of disease activity. This is according to a new breakdown from the health department. Kimberly Speakman has more.
I spoke with a doctor at the John A. Burns School of Medicine who tells me that this new data gives us a better idea of who's social distancing and who's able to isolate away from others during the pandemic. So far, the bulk of COVID-19 cases in the state is comprised of people in their 20s, followed by people in their 30s.
And I think that's for several reasons. One is that age group tends to be very social, likes to hang out, maybe, more active in group activities.
While more young adults are being infected through large gatherings, it's those who are older and the elderly who are being hospitalized.
Those with either weaker immune systems, perhaps because they have an issue like chronic kidney disease, maybe they're on dialysis, or poorly controlled diabetes, or other things like that that put them at a higher risk because their baseline immune system is not as strong.
The new data also reveals that men edge out women when it comes to overall cases, hospitalizations, and deaths.
In terms of risk factors, depending on the age group, there are some differences in the sense that males in general may have more of certain types of risk factors than females.
She says many men tend to work essential jobs like grocers or in retail, and that jobs may also impact the ethnic groups that are getting COVID-19.
If you look at who holds many of our essential worker jobs across the different industries, who might work in tourism or who might work in other types of occupations, it's going to tend to be Pacific Islanders and Filipinos.
And since many in those ethnic groups often live in generational homes with family members, they might not be able to isolate as effectively. Dr. Buen Consejo Lum says this data can help researchers create targeted messaging for the future as COVID-19 cases continue to rise. We'll have more information on our website, KHON2.com. Kimberly Speakman, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.